Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make flan or cream caramel. You don't need an oven or a steamer, and all the ingredients we need are probably in your kitchen right now. We only need sugar, water, milk, and egg. That's it. If you want the full recipe, you can check it out in the description box below. Okay, let's do this. In a small cooking pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Let it simmer, don't move it, and wait for it to turn into light brown color. Give it a little swirl and add 1 tablespoon of water. Be careful because it's gonna splash. Remove it from the heat and be quick while the caramel is still hot and runny. Pour it into the ramekin. Leave it to cool down while we make the custard. So we're gonna use the same pan. Pour 2/3 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it a little bit to dissolve the sugar and wait for it to simmer. Once it starts to simmer, turn off the heat. In a small bowl, crack an egg and whisk it. Then slowly add the hot milk and keep mixing while pouring. I'm adding about a teaspoon each time because we don't really want scrambled egg in our dessert, right? Or maybe you do. So after we've combined all of it, pour the mixture in the ramekins using a sieve to filter out any lumps. And for the love of flan, don't skip this step if you want that smooth and beautiful flan. Cover each ramekin with foil. Line the bottom of a pan with paper towel to make sure there's even heat all around it. Place the flan on top, then fill it with hot water up to about 2/3 of the height of the flan. Now put a lid on the pan. Simmer for 15 minutes and make sure that the water doesn't boil. Now it's ready, so let's check it. Looking good? The center still jiggles slightly, which is normal. It will become firm once it's cooled down, so let it cool down on a bench top first, then chill it in the fridge. After chilling it, we're going to run a knife along the edges like this. Cover with a plate, then flip. Time to dig in! It's really good. After that first bite, you'll just want to finish it all. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot. See you in the next one!